Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we will study about essay, how to write an essay. Did you know the word essay is derived from a Latin word exegium, which roughly translates to presenting one's case. So, essays are a short piece of writing representing one side of the argument or one's experiences, stories, etc. Essays are very personalized, so let us learn about types of essays, format, and tips for essay writing. Now, how to write an essay? Essays are common in middle school, high school, and college. You may even need to write essays in the business world, although they are usually called reports at that point. An essay is defined as a short piece of writing that expresses information. A short piece of writing that expresses information. There are 7 steps of writing an essay. Writing an क्या उसे कह सकते हैं हम गुड essay. For some, writing an essay is as simple as sitting down at their computer and beginning to type. But a lot more planning goes into writing an essay successfully. If you have never written an essay before, or if you struggle with writing and want to improve your skills, it is a good idea to follow a number of important steps in the essay writing process. For example, to write an essay, you should generally decide what kind of essay to write. First of all, brainstorm your topic, research the topic, develop a thesis, then outline your essay, write your essay, edit your writing to check spelling and grammar. While this sounds like a lot of steps to write a simple essay, if you follow them, you will be able to write more successful, clear, and cohesive essays. First, choose the type of essay. The first step to writing an essay is to define what type of essay you are writing. There are 4 main categories into which essays can be grouped: narrative essays, persuasive essays, expository essays, and descriptive essays. Narrative essays tell a story or important information about your subject in a straightforward, orderly manner, like in a story. In this, we narrate a story. Our self experience can be included. Persuasive essay convince the reader about some point of view. Expository essay explain to the reader how to do a given process. You could, for example, write an expository essay with step by step instructions on how to make a peanut butter sandwich. Then, descriptive essay focus on the details of what is going on. For example, if you want to write a descriptive essay about your trip to the park, you would give great detail about what you experienced, how the grass fell beneath your feet, what the prank benches looked like, and anything else the reader would need to feel as if he were there. Knowing what kind of essay you are trying to write can help you decide on a topic and structure your essay in the best way possible. Here are a few other types of essays: argumentative essay, compare and contrast essay, problem solution essay. Argumentative essay take up position on a controversial issue and present evidence in favor of your position. Compare and contrast essay. Identifying similarities and differences between two subjects that are typically under the same umbrella. Problem solution essay. Describe a problem, convince the reader to care about the problem, purpose of solution, and be prepared to dismantle objections. Now come to the brainstorm. You cannot write an essay unless you have an idea of what to write about. Brainstorming is the process in which you come up with the essay topic. You need to simply sit and think of ideas during this phase. Write down everything that comes to mind, as you can always narrow those topics down later. Use clustering or mind mapping to brainstorm and come up with an essay idea. This involves writing your topic or idea in the center of paper and creating bubbles, clouds, or clusters of related ideas around it. Brainstorming can be a great way to develop a topic more deeply and to recognize connections between various facets of your topic. Once you have a list of possible topics, it's time to choose the best one that will answer the questions posted for your essay. You want to choose a topic that is neither too broader nor too narrow. Then Research the topic. Once you have done your brainstorming and choose your topic, you may need to do some research to write a good essay. Go to the library or search online for information about your topic. Interview people who might be expert in this subject. Keep your research organized so it will be easy for you to refer back to. This will also make it easier to cite your sources when writing your final essay. Develop a thesis. Your thesis statement is the main point of your essay. It is essential one sentence that says what the essay is about. For example, your thesis statement might be dogs and descended from wolves. You can then use this as the basic premises to write your entire essay, remembering that all of the different points throughout need to lead back to this one main thesis. You should usually state your thesis in your introductory paragraph. The thesis statement should be broad enough that you have enough to say about it, but not too broad that you can't be thorough. To help you structure a perfectly clear thesis, check out these statements examples. Then outline your essay. The next step is to outline what you are going to write about. This means you want to essentially draw the skeleton of your paper. Writing an outline can help to ensure your paper is logically well organized and flows properly. If you have been tasked with an argumentative essay, here's the best formula for an argumentative essay outline. Start by writing the thesis statement at the top and then write a topic sentence for each paragraph below that. This means you should know exactly what each of your paragraph is going to be about before you write them. Don't jumble too many ideas in each paragraph or the reader may become confused. Ensure you have transitions between paragraphs so the reader understands how the paper flows from the one idea to the next. Fill in supporting facts from your research under each paragraph. Make sure each paragraph ties back on your thesis and create a cohesive, understandable essay. Then write the essay. Once you have an outline, it's time to start writing. Write based on the outline itself, fleshing out your basic skeleton to create a whole cohesive and clear essay. You will want to edit and reread your essay, checking to make sure it sounds exactly the way you want it to. Here are some things to remember. Revise your clarity, consistency, and structure. Support your thesis adequately with the information in your paragraph. Each paragraph should have its own topic sentence. This is the most important sentence in the paragraph that tells readers what the rest of the paragraph will be about. Make sure everything flows together as you move through the essay. Transition word will be permanent. Transition words are the glue that connects every paragraph together and prevents the essay from sounding disjointed. Reread your introduction and conclusion. Will the reader walk away knowing exactly what your paper was about? In your introduction, it's important to include a hook. This is a line or line that will lure a reader in and encourage them to want to learn more. For more on this, check out how to write a hook and help you formulate a killer conclusion. Scan through these conclusion examples. Last is check spelling and grammar. Now the essay is written but you are not quite done. Reread what you have written, looking out for mistakes and typos. This is all about essays. Thank you.